Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drink protein powder with water. First, ensure you have a good quality protein powder and a suitable container like a shaker bottle or a glass. Begin by measuring out 1 scoop of your chosen protein powder. This ensures you get the correct serving size and optimal nutritional benefits. It's a simple first step to a quick and effective protein boost. Next, add about 8 to 12 ounces of cold water to your shaker bottle or glass. Cold water often helps prevent clumping and improves the taste. Then, carefully pour your measured protein powder into the water. If using a shaker, secure the lid tightly. If using a glass, prepare to stir vigorously to combine the ingredients thoroughly. Now, shake your bottle vigorously for 15 to 30 seconds. This ensures the powder fully dissolves, creating a smooth, lump-free drink. Before taking a sip, quickly check for any remaining clumps. If you find any, give it a few more shakes. Once you've enjoyed your protein, rinse your shaker bottle immediately to prevent residue buildup and keep it fresh for next time. For a thicker shake, use less water or add more for a thinner consistency. You can also toss in a few ice cubes to make your drink extra cold and refreshing, especially after a workout. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly mixed protein drink, tailored just how you like it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.